In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the priority scheme in Jira. Whether you're a project manager, a team lead, or just someone looking to customize your Jira setup, understanding how to tailor your priority settings can significantly enhance your workflow. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to locate the Jira settings. This is where all the magic begins. Head over to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see the familiar cog icon. By clicking on this, you'll open up a menu of options. This hub is your gateway for managing various administrative tasks within Jira, so it's good to familiarize yourself with it. Once you're in, look for and select Work Items from the available menu. This section is essential because it houses all configurations related to issue types, workflows, and crucially, priorities. Now, when you're in the Issues section, your next step is to find the Priorities subsection. Here, you'll see an option called Priority Schemes. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll find a list of priority schemes currently defined within your Jira instance. Each of these schemes is a flexible tool for project management and can be tailored to address the unique needs of different projects. Next, it's time to pinpoint the priority scheme that's currently assigned to the specific project you're focusing on. This step is important to ensure that you're editing the correct scheme, thereby avoiding unintended changes to other projects. Once you've identified the correct scheme, look over to the right side of your screen. You'll see 3 dots, a common icon for additional options or settings. Click on these dots and select the Edit option from the drop-down menu. This step takes you to the heart of customization. In Edit mode, you have the ability to modify the priority levels according to your project requirements. Whether you aim to adjust the default priority, reorganize the order of existing priorities, or even remove a priority that's no longer needed, the flexibility is here for you. Perhaps your team has decided to emphasize certain priorities over others or needs a more streamlined set of options to better align with your goals. Make these changes here, always keeping in mind the needs and workflows of your team. Once you've made all the desired adjustments, it's time to save your changes. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the Save button. Clicking this will apply the modifications you've made to the priority scheme. It's wise to double-check your changes before saving, ensuring everything accurately reflects your project's needs. And there you have it. You've successfully modified the priority scheme in Jira. This process empowers you to keep your projects organized and aligned with your team's evolving needs. By customizing priority schemes, you enable better focus and clarity, ensuring everyone is on the same page regarding what needs attention first. Thanks for joining me today, and happy prioritizing in your projects.